Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Al-Qura Public School online classes. Hopefully, you're taking good care of yourself and your families and everyone else around you. It's your English grammar lecture. I am your English teacher, Adam. This lecture is for grade 4, as you can see in the title of the video, Textbook Junior English, and we are going to learn about nouns, numbers, or singular plurals, in other words, on page number 5 of Junior English. So let's start. So, nouns can be singular or plurals. Noun can be singular or plural. When you are talking about one person, animal, place, or thing, use a singular noun. Sorry, as you can see in the picture, it's a girl, a ship, a train, owl, flower. These are singulars. Okay, these are singular nouns: an airplane, a bicycle, a boy, a bus, a comb, a girl, a key, a letter, a map, a photographer, a refrigerator, a slide, a swing, a van. As you can see by the name of this exercise, singular. Singular comes from single. Single means one. Okay, you can see by these examples, these they are referring to one thing, one person, or one place. When you are talking about two or more people, animal, places, or things, use plurals. Most nouns are made plural by adding s at the start, at the end. For example, look at this. When it is a singular, it is a bat. When it is more than one, these are bats. Star, stars. We just added s at the end of the word. It becomes plural. Fan, fans. Mug, mugs. Cap and caps. Here are a few more examples of singular plurals: bird, birds, room, rooms, camel, camels, desk, desks, doll, dolls, egg, eggs, etc. Some plurals, some plural nouns end in es when the last letter of singular nouns are ch. When a word ended with ch, sh, s, or double s, or x, we usually add es to form the plurals. For example, bus will become buses. What we added at the end of the word to make it plural, es. Brush, brushes. Watch, watches. Fox, foxes. Glass, glasses. Some plural nouns end in ies. Nouns like these are made by changing y to I and adding es. In other words, we can say that we change y with ies. Butterfly will become butterflies. You can see in the end ies. Lily, lilies. Canary, canaries. Candy, candies. If there is a vowel before the y, what are vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. If there is a vowel before y, we just add s to form the plural. As you can see, key will become keys because it have plural before y. Tray, trays. Turkey will be turkeys. If a noun ends in f, you often change f to v and add es. Or in other words, we change f with ves. For example, calf will be calves, elf, elves, half, halves, leaf, leaves, and rest of the examples you can see here. Some nouns that end in f just needs s to form the plurals. Same rule, you can see chief will be chiefs, chef will be chefs, handkerchief, handkerchiefs, chief, chiefs, cliffs, cliffs, roof, roofs, sheriff, sheriffs. Okay? If a noun ends in o, you just add s to form the plural. If a noun ends with o, as you can see here, a rhino will become rhinos. We just added s. Kangaroo will be kangaroos. Hippo, hippos. Video, videos. Zoo, zoos. Hopefully now you will be able to solve your exercise or Junior English page number 5. So let's open your books. So this is your Junior English page number 5. Now you have to solve it by yourself. Here are exercise number 1. I have already solved over here. You can take help from the list on the very left side of the page. Okay, you can take help from here as well. Write the plurals of these words: piano, pianos, chief, chiefs, chimney, chimneys, hero, heroes, mouse, mice, diary, diaries, goose, geese, photo, photos, thief, thieves, chiefs. I already explained why we change these words and how we change these words into plural form or nouns into plural forms. So you have to solve this page by yourself. If you have any kind of problem, contact your teacher. I know that all of you have your teacher numbers. So this is the end of our lecture. Take care, Allah Hafiz.